YouTube. I'm here with a little update. I got some gloves on, a little dirty. But that's because I got a brand new 2001 b3000 Mazda MLE. Well, it's not new. It's a 2001, you know. But I was looking on forums to how to get more horsepower without spending any money. And it came about this little forum. This guy on the forum that said if you go to the intake, that there's a little space behind the headlight right here. Behind this headlight, there's a little connection that goes right through here. I don't know where my hand goes. There's a little port that went through there. That goes straight to your filter. Okay? So I'm going to try to take this apart so you can see it with one hand. There we go. Yeah, I know it's not a K&N. Chill out. It's still clean. It's brand new. So I don't want to change it yet to a K&N. Okay. So there's a port right here. There's a port right here, as you can see. And it goes straight to the headlight. In front of the headlight. Right here where I was talking about. And you'll find one of these inside. Alright? It goes like that inside. Right? It'll be something like that. So on the forum, this guy was talking about, and you'll gain about probably 2-3 horsepower. Not a lot, but it's something, you know. And I took this off, and it came with this front part. And this is the front part of it. This is where your headlight would be. Alright? And that back port would be going on top of here. Well, on the other side. Sorry. And you just take that off. And I already ran the truck, and it sounds really nice with that. And you get a little sounding turbo, you know, that suction. Pretty good. And so far, that's probably basically it. But I saw another forum, and it involves the throttle. Let me get up in here. Sorry. My seat's a little bit too front because of the sub box. It's not made for this truck. But hopefully you can see this. And you can. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Bring out my little flashlight here. Okay. If you see that, let me place this somewhere so you can see it. If you see this right here, look at this. Alright? This is all the way completely back. If you want to get a better throttle response, all you need to do is just get some zip ties and basically tie that much of it, and you'll get a lot more throttle response. Alright, in the next video I'll show you how the truck sounds and how it performs with this already done, and I'll show you how the truck sounds with the filter like that I have it up in front. Alright, so tune until next time, because I will be doing more mods to this truck. I'm even thinking to put an HHO cell into it so I can get better fuel mileage, because I don't know, for some reason on the first quarter of a tank, let me bring it up right here. I mean, look at this. Alright, the first quarter of a tank, you can run a long way. After that quarter is done, your gas goes going really fast down. And I drive normally, and I put in about $40 of gas. That's when the tank is completely empty, and it'll last me probably about like 2 or 3 weeks. And I use this truck for school, so stay tuned for more performance, and Also, stay tuned for audio in this truck. And as you can see, I also put in this red banner up top. I'm also going to start doing that more often. Alright? So stay tuned, and I'll get back with you.